Hello friends, this is my Tata Nano and I am going to show you now how do we going to clean AC filter. Before that I will show you that how is my AC filter that is not working properly, that the AC power is not coming good, the wind is not power good, see, and now you can see the strength of the wind coming from the blower. So I want to show you this using my tissues. Like I will show you how we measure the wind power. Okay, I will make it. Just I will pause this for a moment. Wait, is which we can clear straight like this. Now and other side, if we can clear like this. Yes, it is the we can tear it like this. Oh, it's nice and top you can see. Yes, it's going very nice. Yes, it's going very nice. Okay, and more time like this. I think it will be okay now. Let's make it another tiny piece. Oh, now it's okay, all done. Sorry guys. Now I am going to put this into the blower like this. Okay, we are continuing again. Now I need the wind, what we call the wind flow measure like this. You can see it is just in state 1, switch in one position, but it's very light wave. You can see now I'm doing the second. See, now it's second, now it's on the second. See the different. Okay, just see the different first and second. Okay, actually to do this we at the moment I have no need any tools, because I have already removed my some screw nuts from the position. Okay, let's go to the AC filter position and let's talk about next stage.